I just really love and care about people. Probably to a fault, for sure. It's been said more than once that I give to a fault, but I can't be any other way, and I wouldn't be any other way. My name is Deb Rowe. I'm 42 years old currently. I've been in the restaurant industry since right when I graduated college, which was 1998. It kind of happened by happenstance that I stumbled into the field, because it definitely wasn't what I got my degree in, but it was definitely what was meant to be. The thing about Shenanigans is, and I had no intention at all, and I don't even know how it happened, but I sincerely believe that Shenanigans is the true definition of an Irish pub, because it is a public house. It's a place for people to come and gather and eat and drink, and most of their meetings are held there. Everything from wakes to weddings are held there, to the point of, I've actually done at this point 4 employee weddings, that we've catered for people that have met via the pub. It's like good times or bad times. Another huge thing that the pub gave me was being able to care for my mom while she was on hospice, home care here with me, from basically October until January of this year. And I didn't, as soon as I told my staff what was going on, it was just, I could just check in every once in a while and never had to think twice about anything. In honor of the fact that Shenanigans is the public house that it is, I wanted to put pictures under the bar. So we put it out on Facebook, said send in your pics, and it was also a way to remember the pub before it burned. But we really got we just got awesome photographs of so many people, and pretty much all of them still come to the pub. Several of them we've lost, but it's just a great way to just kind of remember, you just never forget your roots. Anything that grows has to have a solid connection to where it came from.
This story was crafted during the Woodall Weekend Workshop, sponsored by the University of Georgia's Grady College of Journalism and Mass Communication, with the generous support of Henry and Linda Woodall.